Alright, so India's not exporting any more rice. They got to feed their citizens, and they know there's a shortage coming up. So, everybody go grab some rice. I'm not saying go out and hoard rice. You know how much rice you got. Do some inventory if you don't. Go out, get a couple of bags of rice, put in your freezer at least 72 hours, kill bug larvae, or whatever. Sorry about that. And go ahead and get that taken care of, so that now we can get the next step done. What we're going to do, if you got a vacuum sealer, is you're going to go ahead and get a couple of these bags. Go ahead and get a Sharpie and write on there like today is today or the month and year. Put rice. For my family, it's just a couple of us, so I like to do 1 cup of rice. And I like to go ahead and put on there 1 cup of rice to 2 cups of water. And I'm not going to bore you with the details, but I'm going to go ahead and do a couple of these off camera. Then we're going to open up the bag of rice. And I'm going to have a measuring cup. Measure a cup of rice and put in here. And then I'm going to, on camera, show you how to vacuum seal. We'll get back to you when it's time to do that.
Later.
Alright guys, for the sake of video, you want your videos to be perfect and you test things out. I hadn't used my vacuum saver in a while, and I guess it's a good thing. I kind of tested it out to see if it was going to work, and it failed me. I have not 1, but 2 bags that did not vacuum seal. As you see, yeah. It did not vacuum sealed. I accidentally lifted this backwards and rice came pouring out. So, great learning opportunity for you and me both. I've got to get me a new vacuum sealer, but not all is lost. So, I do have backups for backups. I do have an empty, this is way too big for this camera view, but I do have this big container. It was a caramel popcorn container from Rural King. It's cleaned out. I'm going to see if I can unplug and move this real quick. Get that out of the way. Like I said, great opportunity to learn with me. So, like I said, one of these, see, it did not even seal because it didn't get a good vacuum. We're going to just pour it right on in there. And rice is still a cheap staple, but it's not as cheap as it used to be. But just the thought of not getting as much of it whenever you want is not a good thing. Especially if you have a large family that you're feeding and you're a passionate cook as I am, home cook. You just tend to want to have plenty of it on hand. So, we're just going to fill this container up. And that cannon funnel in the previous video is coming in handy, fitting in the top of this. Eliminating a little bit less waste. If I didn't fill up my measuring cup so full, I wouldn't have that much. And yes, I am left-handed, if you haven't realized this in my videos. So there's that. And it's actually easier for me to pour them into a bowl instead of just the bag. Got to empty this other one into this bowl. But you can also use like Gatorade bottles, containers like this. Make sure you put the lid on tight. A lot of people duct tape them, which is a good thing. Keep them up off the floor when you're storing them. Like I'll use this for, well, I have one like this that I'm using for my running pantry. So this is coming to the last. So I can get another couple 2-pound bags or maybe a 5-pound bag of rice to finish filling this up. But at least I do have more rice. Put this there. Oh, look at all that rice flying. I don't know if y'all saw that in the camera, but it was like 5 little pieces of rice there. Let's see. Look at that rice. So I didn't get the vacuum seal for you guys, but at least we're putting rice up for our long-term pantry regardless in a container with the lid on tight. Once I get it filled up, I can put it up. So thank you for joining me. We learned a lesson. Didn't get the vacuum seal as I had hoped, but I will be going and getting another vacuum sealer as soon as I can. No big rush. It is what it is. You know, I have other ways of storing stuff. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share, subscribe so you can get notifications on our next videos. Thank you for joining us. God bless.